In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Tokyo Disney Resort app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. On your Android device, locate the Google Play Store icon, which looks like a colorful triangle. It's typically found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping this icon will launch the Play Store, where you can access a vast array of applications. This step is essential because you need to visit the official app marketplace to ensure you download the correct and secure app. You will see a variety of apps available for download. Next, you will search for the Tokyo Disney Resort app. At the top of the Google Play Store, there is a search bar. Tap on this bar and your keyboard will appear. Type in Tokyo Disney Resort app and press the search button. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This search function is crucial because it helps you find the app quickly among the many options available. Once you see the app in the search results, you know you're on the right track. Now tap on the Tokyo Disney Resort app by Oriental Land Company Limited. This is an important action because it ensures you are selecting the official app developed by the company behind the Tokyo Disney Resort. When you tap on it, you will be taken to the app's dedicated page. Here, you can find valuable information about the app, such as its features, ratings, and reviews. This page helps confirm that this is the app you want to install. After that, tap the Install button. This button is usually green and easy to spot. By tapping this, you are initiating the download and installation process. It's important to note that the installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. You will see a progress indicator showing the download status. This visual feedback reassures you that the process is underway. Once the app has finished downloading and installing, you will see the Open button appear. Tap on this button to launch the Tokyo Disney Resort app for the first time. This step is significant because you want to ensure everything is set up correctly before using the app. It's always exciting to see a new app come to life on your device, and you will soon be ready to explore its features. Now, you will need to sign in with your My Disney account, or create one if you don't already have an account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and tap the Sign In button. If not, look for the option to create a new account. This account is essential for accessing personalized features and managing your park experience. You will appreciate how convenient it is to have everything in one place. Next, turn on GPS or location services to use all the app features. This includes accessing park maps, checking wait times, managing tickets, and utilizing Disney Premier Access. Enabling location services is crucial because it enhances your experience by providing real-time information based on your current location. You can easily navigate the park and find attractions without any hassle. With that completed, you are now fully set up to enjoy the Tokyo Disney Resort app on your Android device. Explore the various features and make the most of your visit to the park. Remember, having this app at your fingertips will enhance your experience and help you manage your day effectively. Enjoy your magical adventure.